In a little town, far, far away, lived a group of animals who loved to race. But one day, something extraordinary happened. Meet Sam, a tortoise who was known for being slow. All the other animals laughed at his pace, but Sam didn't mind. He loved to take his time and enjoy the journey. One sunny morning, the animals decided to have a race. The hare, the rabbit, the eagle, and even the ant all signed up, but Sam hesitated. "Come on, Sam," said the hare, "it'll be fun. You might even win." But Sam just smiled and shook his head. "I'd rather watch, thank you." The race day arrived, and the town was buzzing with excitement. The animals lined up, ready to run. The hare, the rabbit, the eagle, and the ant were all eager to win. "On your marks, get set, go!" shouted the crow, the official race referee. The hare, the rabbit, and the eagle took off like a flash, leaving the ant and Sam behind. They flew, they ran, they scurried, but Sam just strolled along, taking his time. The hare and the rabbit were neck and neck, while the eagle and the ant were close behind. They raced and raced, but Sam continued to stroll, enjoying the flowers and the trees. Suddenly, the hare and the rabbit stumbled. They tripped over a rock and a root, and by the time they got up, the eagle and the ant had passed them by. The eagle and the ant ran and ran, but they too began to tire. Sam, on the other hand, was still moving at a steady pace. He passed the eagle and the ant, and they couldn't believe their eyes. The ant and the eagle crossed the finish line, breathless and exhausted. They looked at Sam, who was walking calmly towards the finish line. "How did you do it?" Sam asked the ant, amazed. "I took my time," Sam replied, "and enjoyed the journey." From that day on, the animals learned a valuable lesson. They realized that rushing through life didn't bring happiness. Instead, they learned to take their time, just like Sam the slow tortoise. And from then on, they all raced a little slower and lived a little happier. The end.